All about Ammonites.
Hi, my name's Emma and today we're going to be learning all about Ammonites. Ammonites can be found all over the world, in places that used to be covered by ancient oceans. But if you're in the UK, you're most likely going to find them in Dorset or at the Yorkshire coast. Ammonites lived in shallow waters. The maximum depth they would have probably lived in would have been 400 metres. They lived in these waters because that's where they found their food. They ate things like small plankton, plants, and slow-moving animals. They ate by using their tentacles to pull in their prey and then using their strong jaws to eat it. Ammonites are most closely related to octopus, cuttlefish, and squid, but they're the most closely related to nautilus. Ammonites could move up, down, and backwards. They could rise and fall by changing the mixture of the gas and the liquid in their chambers. And they had a funnel underneath their mouth that directed the water, and it gave them their jet propulsion, which would push them back. Ammonites lived from 400 to 65 million years ago. They were first found in the early Devonian period, but they were extinct by the late Cretaceous period. Ammonite shells were divided into chambers. The ammonite lived in the last chamber, and the other chambers were filled with liquid or gas, and the walls of the chambers were called septas. Goniatites lived in the Devonian and the Carboniferous period. Ceratites lived in the Permian and the Triassic period.
And Ammonites lived in the Jurassic and the Cretaceous period.
The word Ammonite actually comes from ancient mythology. This is because the Ammonite shells are so tightly coiled, early philosophers compared them to the ram horns that an ancient Egyptian god Ammon wore. Some people actually used to refer to Ammonites as snake stones. This is because in Whitby, England, there was a myth. The legend said that Whitby Abbey was once infested with snakes. Then the abbess came and cursed them, and they turned to stone and coiled up, looking a lot like an Ammonite shell. Ammonites definitely vary in size. Some can be just a few millimetres to over a metre. The largest Ammonite was found in Germany in 1895. And it was approximately 1.8 metres in width. Most Ammonites were coiled, though some were an exception. These were called heteromorphs and they weren't coiled. Heteromorph means mixed shape. Heteromorphs were mostly found in the Cretaceous period. Some heteromorphs looked straight and some looked knotted. Here's some examples of what heteromorphs can look like.
I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Thanks for watching.